Okay, so second question that we have, DIY language course. So for us na nurses, no, or registered nurses, most agencies offer language course. So wala nang babayaran, kailangan mo lang talaga mag-effort and time, of course. But for those na halimbawa, you are college and gusto mo na mag-advanced learning kasi gusto mo magtrabaho dito sa Germany or you wanted to apply to a different work, hindi ka nurse, you wanted to study German language course. If you are going to enroll sa mga school sa atin sa Pilipinas, no, andyan sina Goethe, TELC, Intermed, the tuition from A1, A to B1, P2 per level, yung tuition may range around 21,500 to 30,000 ba? Na-research ni Ate Girl, 31,500. So times 4, abutin ka talaga dito ng around mga 100K, ganyan. But here are some smart strategies for you, no? If gusto mo talagang mag-DIY, if kulang yung budget natin, ganyan. So number 1 is, I want you to take advantage yung mga free structural courses. This is offered sa Goethe Institute website. Meron sila ng mga videos, app, podcast, and starting point for you, Deutsch für dich, Nico auf dem Weg. Pinanood ko din to sa YouTube. Parang series siya ng mga B1, from A1 to B1 level, I think. You really have to be consistent and create study schedule. The thing with the German language, hindi siya tipong 15 minutes per day, okay na. Hindi, girl, kasi talagang mahirap ang Deutsch. Swear. So for us, we learned around 10 months and 4 hours per day. Grabe yung stress ko din nun. I will tell you more later. Pero yun, you have to create a study schedule kung gusto mo tong gawin. Now, for free apps, ang dami niyan sa mga Apple, Google, Duolingo, Busuu, Memrise, combine apps and maybe use around 30 to 60 minutes whenever you use these apps. And andyan naman talaga si YouTube, no? They do explain yung mga grammar and also this would practice your listening. And instead of just watching lang, please write it down on a notebook para mas maintindihan mo at mas talagang makapag-learn ka. Speak and shadow. This is very important. Kasi pag nasa classroom setting kayo, no, talagang magpe-pressure ka na makipag-usap or mag-answer via Deutsch, mag-answer auf Deutsch. Pero di ba pag nasa bahay ka, syempre, sinong kausap mo or whatnot? Kausap mo sarili mo. Kahit ka ng mirror dyan. Speak and shadow kasi this is very, very important. And of course, andyan yung mga FB groups, study circle, online tutor. For sure, makakanap ka niya ng mga Filipino-German speakers. Do share mga reviewers nila and free speaking practice para talagang mahasa yung pag-speak mo ng Deutsch. So, going to summarize this one for you. Again, so ang alternative path natin, no, ayan, self-study to reach A1 to A2. And now, invest in formal class B1 and B2 and still practice speaking. Yung B1 and B2, eto na talaga yung madugo kasi yung mga grammatic, dyan yun na yan pag-uusapan. A1, A2, you can still do it at home, no? Maybe do mga language exam, whatever, just to gauge kumbaga how well you are with Deutsch already. But unbedingt, I hope you would be able to invest sa formal class around B1 and B2 para talagang mas makapag-practice ka pa, especially with speaking. Now, the thing is, kahit magbayad ka, no, pero wala ka ng disiplina, gusto mo 2 hours ka lang mag-aral, ay wala pa din talaga, girl. And kahit libre, pero consistent ka naman, talaga namang may mapatutunguhan ka. So, I hope this answer your question. If you can do mga DIY language course, the answer is yes, but it lies on you. Especially if you're gonna do self-study, no, kailangan focus ka pa din kahit nasa bahay ka.